Hey guys, I've decided to do a video about how to visualize an existing infrastructure with Holori. As there are multiple ways you can do it, I wanted to go through them. So, three different ways. Either import directly from your cloud provider, such as AWS. Holori will then query your console with read-only permissions and ask AWS what existing infrastructure the user currently has. The other option is to import a zip of your Terraform. And the third option is to import from GitHub, where you can select a repository or paste a URL that contains the Terraform files for your infrastructure. So we will go through each of them. I suggest we start now with importing from AWS. So to do that, you first need to create an AWS account where you give the read-only permissions. I'll let you do it on your own. The setup is not so interesting for this video. And there is actually another video about that. But now to import from AWS, you can go to import from provider, select here AWS, and then you can select the resources that you want to import and the regions. After a few seconds or few minutes, the import will take place and you'll get your AWS infrastructure diagram. So here we go, the infrastructure has been imported. And I can now see my infrastructure and all the different attributes of it. I can turn it into a 3D diagram. And here we go. So that's the first option. Second option is to import a zip containing a main.tf, output.tf, provider.tf, variables.tf. Make sure that if you have modules, they are also in the zip file. This import is quite fast, and the goal is that you can visualize your Terraform at an infrastructure level and can see the different attributes of your Terraform. Coupled with our CI/CD feature, this lets you generate Terraform diagrams in your CI/CD every time you make a modification of your Terraform file. Now, if I click on an element, I can see the different Terraform's attributes for this element, and I can also turn it into a 3D diagram. And finally, the last option, we allow user to import their infrastructure from GitHub. So you can either copy paste the URL of the repository or go look for the right repository. And from it, basically what it does is it's parsing the Terraform in your repository and generating from it a Terraform infrastructure diagram. Okay, here we go. We got the GitHub Terraform import, and we can see it here. So that's basically the three ways that Holori lets you visualize your existing infrastructure. Basically, two of them are based on Terraform, either upload a zip or upload it from your GitHub. And the other case is the cloud provider import, where we query directly the API from the cloud provider. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the video and that it's clearer for you and that you can now start on your own. Have a good day.